This is the apple tree. June 2008. The 17-year-old cicadas have come out and are absolutely swarming. I'm documenting all the holes. Look at all these holes in the earth where they come up through the ground. Look at all the dead husks of these things. Look at this. Littered. The ground is literally littered with husks of cicadas. Here is the apple tree. There's one crawling right there. Look at it. Look at all of them. There's the husk.
Can you see it up through the tree? Like that, when they all start.
Oh man. Wow. I just want you to see this here. This here is amazing. Look how many. All those little spots look like little maggots, but they're not little at all. They're huge. The entire ground around this apple tree is absolutely filled with these cicadas. All over.
All around town.
All over. There's not. Look. Unbelievable. Look at these guys. And that's the noise that you hear is deafening. This is the apple tree I was just at. If you look closely, and if I can keep my hand steady enough, should be able to see all of them flying around. See that? Look at them all flying around. They're all over the place. It's like a swarm. It is a massive, massive swarm.